Hi everyone, welcome to a new TristArtist bullet journal video. For August, I chose adventure for my theme, inspired by these magical adventure stickers by Nicole Josephine. I will link her Etsy shop down below because she makes such colorful, fun, and cozy items, mostly stickers, just like I do, so make sure to check out her shop. As you can see, Izzy also wanted to make an appearance in this video. When I'm journaling, she is often sleeping on my lap, which I find so sweet and cozy. I can't believe that she's been in my life for over a year now. It is crazy how much love can grow in such a short time. My mother-in-law gave me a big set of double-ended markers from a Dutch store called Action, and here I am using them for the very first time. I love that this set has a lot more lighter colors as well, like pastels. I don't have a full verdict of the quality yet, but the ones I used here I liked. I also thought that these stickers suited this illustration that I found in my stash. It gives me that instant adventure slash travel slash safari kind of vibes, and I love it. Although it's a bit big, I thought I had to use it, so I made sure to make it the center of the attention. This was also the reason why I put my calendar a bit more to the side, which is quite a weird place. Normally I would prefer to put it in the center of the spread, but I must say I quite like it. It gave me a nice place to put down my monthly goals. However, I didn't like the darker blue color that I used here, so I changed the look up with some washi tape, paper, and the stamps that I bought on Amazon. Next up is my tracker spread. On the left side I always place my habit tracker, and on the right side my mood tracker. Because I was a bit late with making this video, I wanted to simplify my habit tracker, but I totally failed at that attempt, as you will see in a minute. I started off with creating my collage headers, and after that I worked on my mood tracker. When I get stuck while I'm making art, I always try to continue to create at least something to keep that flow going, if that makes sense. When I wasn't sure about what I would do for my habit tracker, I continued working on my mood tracker and inspiration came to me. I went for a circle mood tracker again, just as I did for June. This time I placed a beautiful image of a painting that I found on Pinterest in the center of the circle. The link to my Pinterest board that I made will be in the info bar down below, so if you want to use any of these images that you see here, you can go and check it out. The beautiful scenery of the mountains and the colors are so inspiring to me. I try to use complementary colors to the painting, so when the tracker is all filled in, it will look aesthetically pleasing as well. For my moods, I wanted to add some more options than just happy, okay, and sad, because it is going to be a very busy month for me with work, and I am also starting therapy again, so there is a good chance that there will be some more moods applicable. As I mentioned earlier, I wanted to go for a simple habit tracker, but as you can see, that goal wasn't really achieved. I simplified the calendar by making it horizontally, but drawing out all the individual lines was still a lot of work. So maybe next time I will leave out the lines and maybe even the numbers. I would prefer not to do that, but if you have any ideas for me, please let me know how to fix this. On to the first weekly spread. For this one, I wanted to use some of the illustrations that I found on Pinterest. I really like this yellow one with a cute quote that says, "Put your positive pants on." I thought it wasn't too cheesy and quite sweet. Also, I love how the yellow ties in so nicely with the yellow colors of the map and the other image that I used. It is again a painting of a beautiful scenery with grass and wildflowers, and when I think of adventure, I think of nature, of mountains and flower fields. I don't know why, but yeah, I think of that. And can we appreciate Nicole Josephine's stickers with this theme? I love it. I love the colors, the images, and the different textured paper. I'm so excited to continue this theme. To add a bit more depth to the days of the week, I used some watercolor paint, but please make sure that if you use ink, that it is waterproof and dry before you go over it with watercolor. And that's it for my August bullet journal theme of 2020. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, like and subscribe for more videos, and I hope to see you next time.